Hello and welcome to episode 3 of our Creative University video series. My name is Lauren Devins and I am the Digital Marketing and Social Media Coordinator at Creative MMS in Philadelphia. I'm here with the fabulous Tess Ewing, who is our junior web developer. So Tess, I'll kick it over to you for a brief intro.
Thanks, Lauren. Hello, everyone. I am Tess Ewing. I am the junior web developer here at Creative MMS. I've been working with Creative for a little over 3 years now, and been in development for just a little bit longer than that, mostly self-taught, have a degree in graphic design. Decided doing web stuff is more for me. And so, yeah, excited to talk to you and learn about the wonderful world of development and how that intersects with SEO.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Chess. So yes, today we're going to be talking a little bit about schema markup for websites. So Tess, can you just describe for me at a high level what schema markup is for websites?
Sure. In a really broad sense, it is a way of formatting data that Google can read and know what kind of content you are putting out there on the web. So it is a series of JSON text that you don't really need to know too much about that. But it's a way of writing the data to let Google know like what kind of content it is and certain pieces of information that are specific to that kind of content. So that way, when you type something into Google, the first results that come up can say something like what kind of content this is, like an event, for instance. If you're searching for an event schema would include, start time or the date of it. And those are the first results that you would see.
Oh, perfect. That makes a lot of sense. So other than showing up at kind of the top of Google results, what are some of the benefits of implementing schema data on your website?
There's certainly a lot of benefits, especially if you have content, like I mentioned, like an event where like you want to have like the date that into that block of results. It makes it really easy for the person searching to get that data right away, and they'll learn about the content that you have worked so hard on, and they get to know it really instantly of what they're looking for, and because they are getting that information right away, it gives them more confidence to click on your content because they know like, oh yes, this is the event on this date, this is what I'm looking for, and then they will click on the result and get to your website and browse all your content.
Makes a lot of sense. So how can people generate schema markup for their websites on their own?
So like I mentioned, how it's like written in the JSON language, you do not need to be a developer to do that. There's so many different schema generators out in the world today. I know, I think the one that we use most often is from Technical SEO, and basically it will prompt you to choose like the type of content, like I mentioned, and then based on that, you will get different fields to enter. So then after you have entered all of the data of like what the content is, it'll generate it for you. And then it is just some text that you will copy and paste onto your content, and Google takes care of the rest.
Awesome. That sounds really easy. So those were all the questions that I really had for today. So thank you so much for your time here today, Tess.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you're interested in learning more about website development, design, and marketing, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Creative MMS, featuring regular videos of members of our team. So thank you for your time, and we will see you in episode 4.